In today's world, we depend on technology which has evolved from the basic phone to the smartphone, for no camera phone to higher resolution camera sensors. Days when people were residing in different places, communicating with one another was more difficult since STD and ISD calls were hard to make due to network problems and high rates. But nowadays, everything is much easier thanks to numerous software applications. Rather than making direct calls, we can choose to make calls over the internet using a variety of apps. We have all heard of popular applications for video calling, voice calling, chatting, such as the Facebook Messenger, IMO, and WhatsApp, which need time to set up an account and may be difficult for elderly individuals, those living in rural areas, or people who lack technical knowledge. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to the free calling app, that is the FreeFly 881, a newly created and user-friendly software app for the voice calling. So let's get into this. This software allows us to make easy calls to anywhere in the country or around the world. Because it is simple to use, you may use it for business or personal purposes and for online websites as well. Because the FreeFly 881 app only uses the internet, there is no roaming fees or additional call packages required. It is built in the style of a Yellow Pages directory, but with the ability to contact a number directly now rather than through an invitation and acceptance procedure. You can access your unique FreeFly phone number if it is stored in the system. If you don't want to register your actual phone number, FreeFly may generate a random number for you. So let's start with some FAQ questions and also the procedure to install. Currently, the software supports only for the Android. The app is available for download from Google Play Store, so don't worry, the app is completely safe. When your FreeFly 881 program has been downloaded, click the sign up button. After clicking choose your country, if you pick the country code, you will be prompted to input your mobile number. Then a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone. After you have entered the code, press the next button. How many numbers will appear in front of you? You may choose any number and align it with a screenshot. Now input your name and the password connected with that number. If you like, you may include a profile photo as well. That's it, your account has been created. When you are ready to chat with your contact, click on the profile symbol followed by the QR code. You will see a QR code. Send this QR code to contact. When your partner clicks on this QR code, a call will be sent to your phone. When you are talking to a person, you may also chat with the QR code by scanning it with your phone. No need to scan the QR code every time. Only once you have to scan it. Your mobile will be automatically saved. When you click on the profile button on the FreeFly 881 app, you will see the option call button. Simply copy and paste this code into your web page. When a customer wishes to contact you, they scan the QR code and the call is sent to you. This program allows you to communicate with FreeFly 881 continuously. You will, however, have to spend a few gigabytes. You may communicate with people all around the world with this software. I recommend everyone to start using this app and provide your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. So that's it from me today. I hope you like this video and you will definitely try this app as well. So I will meet you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also not to forget, hit that bell notification. Also do check out my other videos as well as follow me on my social media handles. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish signing off.